In the early years of the new millennium, around 2001, my trading activities were sporadic and lacked a solid strategy. I dabbled in various stocks, but my results were inconsistent at best. It wasn't until 2010, after barely breaking even for nearly a decade, that I began to question my abilities. Was trading just too complex? Could I ever master it? Despite these doubts, I persevered. Fast forward to 2018, I took the plunge into the deep end of technical analysis. I learned how to decipher charts, and my profits began to reflect this newfound knowledge. However, the market crash of 2021 threw a wrench into my plans. My highest peak in November 2021 was followed by a devastating 30% loss over the next 18 months. It was a harsh reminder that the road to recovery is often a long and winding one. In 2023, I took a hard look at my trading records. Out of 210 trades, 164 were profitable, while 46 were not. Yet, my profits were not as significant as I had expected. Digging deeper, I discovered that a mere 15 trades had caused over half of my losses. This revelation led to two critical insights. I needed to buy more shares per trade and limit my biggest losses. Inspired by a friend who had traded his account to over 300% profit, I focused on increasing the number of shares I traded. I developed a spreadsheet to calculate the number of shares to buy based on my account percentage. This tool allowed me to ramp up my trading volume, thus addressing the first issue. Then came the second hurdle, reducing my largest losses. Traditionally, I had struggled with setting stop losses, an issue that dated back to my early trading days. However, after analysing my trades in 2023, I found an alternate way to manage my losses. I designed another spreadsheet to track my total trades and potential profits per trade. The data showed that with improved trade management, I could boost my profits. This approach felt different from setting stop losses. It was empowering to see how each trade affected my account in the long run. So, what does this journey teach us? First, it's crucial to have a well-defined strategy and stick to it. Second, learning to interpret charts can significantly enhance profitability. Third, it's vital to manage trade size and losses effectively. Above all, persistence is key. Trading is a journey, not a destination, and it's the lessons we learn along the way that make us better traders.